Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. We are departing from Delhi to Dubai today with an estimated flight time of 3 hours and 40 minutes. Our aircraft is Boeing 737 MAX 8, and our call sign for this flight is Storm 701. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Storm 701, contact Delhi Tower 118.75. Have a good day.
Contact Tower 118.
iFly 247 Hotel, Tower, number 2 for departure. Storm 701, Delhi Tower, wind 170 degrees, 7 knots, runway 09 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 09er, cleared for takeoff. Storm 701.
iFly 247 Hotel, holding short, runway 09er.
iFly 247 Hotel, hold short of 09 departing traffic.
Roger, hold short of 09er. iFly 247.
iFly 247 Hotel, runway 09 line up and wait.
Runway 09er, line up and wait. iFly 247 Hotel.
iFly 247 Hotel, Delhi Tower, wind 170 degrees, 7 knots, runway 09 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 09er, cleared for takeoff. iFly 247 Hotel.
Storm 701, reset transponder. Squawk 0642.
Squawk 0642, Storm 701.
Storm 701, contact Delhi departure 118.825.
Contact Delhi Departure 118.825, Storm 701. Delhi Departure, Storm 701. Good day, for 1,000 feet.
Storm 701, Delhi departure, identified, flight to flight level 180.
Climb to flight level 180, Storm 701.
Delhi departure, I fly to 47
Ladies and
Hotel, Wood Bay,
gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt
4,200 feet.
fastened whilst the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Toilets are located at each end of the
I fly
cabin.
to 47
Remember
Hotel,
that smoking
Delhi
is not
departure,
permitted at
identified,
any time.
flying to
This
flight
concludes
level
the directions.
170.
In just a few moments, we will commence our in-flight service. Offering
Flying
you
to
the
flight
chance
level
to choose from our
170.
fresh
I
selection
fly to
available
47
today.
Hotel.
Full details can be found in your in-flight brochure. You can also purchase a selection of hot beverages together with drinks and snacks from the
I fly to
Please
15
check all
Papa,
major credit
contact
and
Delhi
debit
control
cards. If you need any further
120.75.
assistance, just ask us as we join you in the cabin shortly.
Center on 120.75. I fly to 15 Papa. Storm 701, you are off course. Clear direct DT 613. Resume on navigation.
Roger. Clear direct DP 613. Resume own navigation, Storm 701.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign will be turned off shortly. We recommend, however, that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened at all times during the flight. If you're using a blanket, we kindly ask that you fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so it is visible. We invite you to browse through extravaganza or in-flight duty-free catalog, which is in your seat pocket. Our in-flight meal service will come in shortly. Please refer to your personal menu card for more details. If there is anything that we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.
سيدتي وسادتي بعد قليل سوف تدخل الشاطئ في حزمة المقاعد سلامتكم رجاء من حضراتكم خلف الحزمة المربوطة ضروري داخل الطائرة في حال استخدام كل البطانيات. بعد قليل سوف نقدم لكم وجبة الصباح كما أنني مع باقي دفتر الطاقم على تم الاستعداد لتلبية طلبات مع مدار الرحلة شكرا. فسيدتي على الطفلان هي مبادرة دعم الخطوط الجوية القطرية وتهدف لتوفير التعليم الابتدائي للأطفال المحرومين التعليم الأساسي. يبلغ عدد الأطفال المحرومين التعليم الابتدائي 58 مليون طفلا حول العالم. يعيش هؤلاء الأطفال في دول تعاني من الفقر والتمييز والنزاعات والكوارث الطبيعية. سنكون شاكرين لكم لو تقربتم دعم هذه المبادرة من خلال تبرعاتكم والتي يمكنكم وضعها في المخلفات المتوفرة في جيوب المقاعد التي أمامكم. سيقوم محضر الطاقم الضيافة بسلامها منكم شكرا.
Storm 701, contact Delhi control 120.75. Bye bye.
Center on 120.75, Storm 701. Bye bye. Delhi Control, Storm 701. Good day. Through flight level 159er for flight level 180.
Storm 701, Delhi control, identified, flying to flight level 360. Oman Air 245, Apuri 7 Foxtrot with the Dushan 911 transition, runway 10. Report ready for descent.
Apuri 7 Foxtrot with the Dushan 911 transition, runway 10, ready for descent, Oman Air 245.
Oman Air 245, descent to flight level 100.
Descent to flight level 100, Oman Air 245.
245. Contact Delhi approach 126.35.
Contact Delhi approach 126.35 Oman Air 245.
iFly 941. Contact Bareilly approach 122.99.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has now turned on the Wi-Fi for you to access. Please check the seat pocket for Wi-Fi information. If you need any assistance, ask for one of our crew members. Thank you.
Added 698. Turn left. Heading 145. Climb to flight level 210. Turn left. Heading 145. Climb to flight level 210. Added 698. iFly 2145. Delhi control. Expect Apuri 7 Foxtrot with the Dushan 911 transition. Runway 10.
Expect Apuri 7 Foxtrot with the Dushan 911 transition. Runway 10. iFly to 145.
Expect Apuri 7 Hotel with the Apuri transition. Runway 11 right. iFly 2356. Blue Dot 102 Alpha. Delhi control. Expect Ukaso 7 Hotel with the Ukaso transition. Runway 11 right. Expect Ukaso 7 Hotel with the Ukaso transition. Runway 11 right. Blue Dot 102 Alpha. Expect Babox 7 Hotel with the Babox transition. Runway 11 right.
Expect Babox 7 Hotel with the Babox transition. Runway 11 right. iFly 869.
iFly 2145. Descend to flight level 150.
Descend to flight level 150. iFly to 145.
iFly 2145. Contact Delhi approach 126.35.
Contact Delhi approach 126.35. iFly to 145.